Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate and chemical graduate. So all the three department graduates can make the basis of the video. The name of the company is Relaxo. So I will be providing the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website of the company. When you come to official website, you can see three dots here on the right top corner. You have to click the three dots so that you will be getting these things like company info, media, so on. Out of it, you have to choose careers so that you will be directed to this page. When you scroll down gently, you can see an icon called search job. You will be seeing an icon search job. You have to click on search job so that you will be directed to this page where the job results they will be posting. So almost 12 jobs are there, and on the right hand side you can see various jobs. So today we are going to see one particular job, that is graduate engineer training. It's on the production and manufacturing side. So let us see in detail. When you click that graduate engineer trainee icon, you will be directed to this page. If you are willing to work in manufacturing, means you can apply for this job. And let us see in detail. So department will be production, and after 1 year you will be 1 year of training, you will be promoted as an officer. And educational qualification requirement is you must have BE or BTech in mechanical or production or electrical or chemical with first division throughout the academic career. The candidate should flare, that is what they expect you is you must have interest in working in core manufacturing company, and should be well versed in theory and conceptual clarity of production planning, and should be able to handle the manpower and possess influencing capabilities. So other key responsibilities are you have to maintain minimum inventory level and to submit all required production report in time, to manage and diversify the workforce and get the work out of them. Regarding the production, you have to undertake the charge, and you have to plan accordingly, and produce weekly report monthly basis also. And other areas are like you must be a good initiator and have good management skills, etc., leadership skills, strong communication, customer orientation. So these things you should be inbuilt, and you have to develop those things. And these are the key result areas. Just kindly have a glance of it for key stakeholder management and key result areas. So these are the things. If you are fit for these and if you are willing to work, means then you can apply for this job. So they haven't mentioned about any experience, so even freshers can apply for this job. Just click apply. So once you click apply, you will be directed to this page. If you already registered, means you will be having a mail ID and password. If this is the first time, means you have to create an account and give all your basic details. So this is the creating an account, signing up, signing in. So you have to give all your basic details and create an account, and then you have to apply for this job. If you after creating an account, you will be getting your mail ID and password, right? Then you can apply for this job. If you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to mechanical graduate, electrical and electronics graduate, and chemical graduates. It will be a great helpful for them. And do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.